Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well today. I am very excited to help you start speaking English confidently. Many people think that speaking English perfectly is very difficult. But the truth is, speaking confidently is more important than speaking perfectly. Mistakes are normal, and they help you learn faster. I'm fine, thank you. And you? This is one of the most common sentences you will use every day. You can practice it with friends, family, or even in front of the mirror. Saying it out loud regularly will help you feel comfortable. My name is _nice to meet you. Introducing yourself is very important in English. You can also add where you are from, like I am from Pakistan. Nice to meet you. This will make your conversation longer and more natural. I woke up at 7 a.m. Talking about your daily routine is a great way to practice English. You can say simple sentences like, I woke up at 7 a.m., I brushed my teeth, I had breakfast. You don't need complicated words. Simple sentences are enough to start speaking fluently. I had breakfast. You can also talk about what you eat. For example, I had bread and eggs for breakfast. I drank tea. Like eating breakfast with my family. This helps you practice words related to food and daily life. I went to work or school. Talking about where you go every day makes your English practical. You can say, I went to school yesterday. Kay studied English. I met my friends at school. Kay using past tense sentences is also very helpful for beginners. I like reading books. Talking about your hobbies makes your conversation interesting. You can say, I like reading books. I like watching movies. I enjoy listening to music. These sentences are easy, but they help you speak naturally. I will practice English today. Planning to speak English daily is very important. You can say, I will practice English today. I will learn 5 new words. I will speak English for 10 minutes. These sentences create a habit of speaking every day. Think this very little. Practicing pronunciation is also important. Focus on difficult sounds like THR, VNL. You can repeat these words slowly and clearly. I can speak English confidently. Remember, confidence is key. Speak slowly, don't worry about mistakes, and enjoy the learning process. Every day, try to say 10 sentences in English, and your fluency will improve step by step. Asterisk, can you help me? This is one of the most useful sentences in English. You can use it when you need help from anyone, at school, work, or even at home. Where is the nearest shop? You can also ask, where is the bank? Or, where is the bus stop? Are very common and helpful in daily life. I think English is fun. Expressing your opinion is a good way to speak naturally. You can say, I think learning English is easy. Or I think reading books is interesting. These sentences make your conversation more engaging. In my opinion, practice is important. You can also say, in my opinion, speaking English every day helps a lot. This phrase is useful for sharing your thoughts politely. Could you please repeat that? Sometimes you don't understand what someone says. You can use this sentence politely. You can also say, "Could you say that slowly?" Or "I didn't understand. Can you repeat?" "Would you mind helping me?" This is another polite phrase you can use. For example, "Would you mind helping me with my homework?" Or "Would you mind telling me the time?" Using polite phrases makes your English sound natural. "I am feeling tired today." Talking about your feelings is very useful in conversation. You can also say, "I am happy today," or "I am a little busy." These sentences are simple but help you speak naturally. "I went to the airport yesterday." Talking about your daily activities is important. You can say, "I went to the market yesterday," or "I visited my friend yesterday." Using past tense sentences helps your fluency improve. "I like to eat breakfast every morning." Talking about habits is easy and natural. You can say, "I like drinking coffee in the morning," or "I like reading books before sleep." Habits are simple topics to start conversation. "I enjoy listening to English songs." Talking about hobbies makes your conversation interesting. You can say, "I enjoy watching movies," or "I enjoy playing football." Hobbies are always a great topic to practice English. I can say simple sentences every day. I can practice new words daily. Can speak English confidently. Using small, simple sentences regularly helps you speak naturally. I will try to use 5 new words today. I will ask questions in English today. I will speak English for 10 minutes today. Setting small goals every day improves your English step by step. I can speak English with confidence. I can ask questions politely. I can share my opinions easily. Practice makes everything better. Speaking a little every day leads to fluency in a short time. I eat breakfast every day. This is a simple sentence in the present simple tense. You can say it about your daily routine. For example, "I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. every day." Simple sentences like this help you start speaking naturally. "I am eating breakfast now." This sentence is in the present continuous tense. You use it when something is happening right now. For example, "I am eating breakfast now." "I am drinking tea." "I am reading the newspaper." Present continuous makes your English sound alive and real. "I ate breakfast yesterday." This sentence is in the past simple tense. Talking about the past is important. You can say, "I ate breakfast yesterday." "I went to school." "I met my friend." Using simple past tense sentences helps you tell stories and share experiences. "I am going to the market." This is another present continuous sentence. You can also say, "I am going to the bank," or "I am going to the park." Talking about what you are doing now makes your English practical. "Yesterday, I went to the market." This is past simple. Again, you can add more sentences like, "I bought fruits." "I met a friend." "I came back home." Using short past tense sentences makes your storytelling easy and natural. "I bought some fruits." Talking about what you bought or did yesterday is very common. You can say, "I bought bread," "I bought milk," "bought vegetables." These sentences are simple but very useful in daily conversation. "I met my friend yesterday." Meeting friends or talking about people you know is easy and fun. You can say, "I met my teacher." I met my neighbor. I met my cousin. Using small sentences keeps your English fluent and natural. I study English every evening. Talking about habits helps you practice the present simple tense. You can say, I study English. I read books. I watch English videos. Habits are simple topics for beginners. She is reading a book. Talking about others is also important. You can say, he is watching TV. They are playing football. My sister is cooking. Using he, she, and they in sentences makes your English more complete. They went to the park yesterday. You can tell short stories about people around you. For example, they went to the market. They met their friends. They had lunch together. Small past tense sentences make your storytelling fluent. I will practice English every day. I will speak 10 sentences today. I will learn 5 new words. Using will helps you talk about the future and your plans. Talking about the future is very useful in daily conversation. I can speak English correctly. I can make simple sentences. I can tell short stories. Using simple grammar in speaking is enough to sound fluent. Confidence is more important than perfection.